Good morning, guys. It is Wednesday. Guys, let's see if we can pull out an opportunity this morning. Right now, we guys currently just after market open had a sell signal here that printed out and actually winning really quick. Literally, that trade took a minute, and that was as long as that actually came in to actually pull out the 5 points here on the 1 minute time frame that we're going for. Now, on the 1 minute time frame, if you guys go for 5 points and the whole goal during the day is to go for 10 points total and then just be done, you can look for a couple setups during the time frame you're wanting to trade. So you guys, my sweet spot, I like to get on here in the morning at about 7:30 or close to it and look for my first setup. So if we end up getting a buy signal here live with you guys, I want to see about entering in and just pulling out over here on my live pro accounts just 5 points to show transparency. We're getting a nice big old push up here right now. First level of resistance actually isn't up until this area here. So I would not be surprised if we do end up getting a buy signal here soon that we can capitalize on. Over here, when you end up getting to the sell signal, something that you can end up doing is playing down to levels of support. So if you're not going for, if you want to go for a little bit longer trades here and have runners run, this one ended up coming down to about 40 points on this one just this morning afterwards. It ended up running total about 67, but if you end up playing to the first level of support, this was about 40 points, which is a pretty massive move. Just here on the 1 minute time frame. So why am I on the 1 minute and not the 2 minute time frame? Well, you guys, if you go like this, these candles these are almost engulfing 20 points at a time. So if at any time the individual candle, the body is engulfing 20 points, you want to be on that 2 minute time frame. Earlier right here, I can take a look at price action. These candle body widths were not the size of that, which is why I'm on the 1 minute time frame and just looking to scalp a little bit. You know, something that I look out for is when candles are smaller like this, it just shows indecision. So if there's indecision, we want to just be going for quick little scalps and then being able to just capitalize on those really quick in and out and not go for too big of profits each time trading. So this is actually still running. Now, could you have got in on this signal right here? Well, technically, yes, you probably could have actually got in on this. If you guys are following my channel, if you guys know the triple greens that I'm looking for is a green background, green profit wave, the first bullish green candle, and your dashboard down here, all green. So yes, this technically could have been an entry here. This would have, looks like, easily taken out the 5 points that you needed to clear this on the 1 minute time frame, but I want to be able to go on here with you guys and see if we can get the actual buy and sell signals and taking those specifically and showing you just really good risk management on all these trades. If you end up having the white dots at candle close end up outside of the profit wave. So what I'm meaning on this, if you end up getting into an entry and if at any time price comes up again and closes outside, that is your exit. So for this example, here's your entry just at this point right here. Let's take a look at this. Worst case scenario on this trade, you still should have been able to make 11 points. And currently right now, we haven't entered into any trades just yet on buy signals. But if this was your entry here, your risk to reward would have been about a 1-to-1. So that's 11 points down. And you would have been up about 20 points already. So what is that, a 1-to-2 risk to reward? So very good risk to reward ratios using these metrics as well. What I'll do later on today is I'll go back and look at all the price action for the day and give you guys a percentage of win and loss, taking literally just every buy and sell signal. All right, guys, here we go. Looks like a buy signal is going to be illuminated. Here we have about 48 seconds left for this candle to close out to see if we can enter in on our chart here. Now, this may flicker on and off in between the time frame that you have selected. And at the end of the time frame, what I'll do is I'll literally count down with 5 seconds left. At the end of that time, if we end up having that signal populated, I'm going to enter in immediately afterwards, go for the take profit level, which is going to be 5 points here, and close it out automatically on our DOM. And that is going to be it. In and out in the day, very quick, in taking that trade to just capitalize on it this morning. All right, we have, 12 seconds left. I know the level of resistance is way up here, so I'm hoping this will actually get in and out pretty quick. Let's count it down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. All right, guys, and I am entered into the market right now. This is all we have to do to go to this level. This is automatically going to populate. You guys see this is the buy price. This is the sell price right here. The price only has to go up and hit this level right here to be able to close this out for the 5 points that we're looking at in the take out this morning, which is going to be a $200 profit literally within, it looks like, minutes of doing this video. So if we can just get this to pop up a little bit more, this looks like it will potentially just flush through here. The strongest level of resistance up at this area, way up here actually at 462. So the thing is, what we're looking at, if you think of like an overall like stick, let's say the whole movement's this much, we're only trying to get a tiny bit out of the middle. You know, if the overall trend is confirmed, and that's why these signals, there we go, order has been filled right on the right hand side, profitable trade and done. Just like that, taking this buy signal alone. So far this morning, this would have been 2 for 2, 100% win rate. You guys, let me go over here to the account just so you can see transparency on today. It's going to go, that was a $200 profit. So far this week, I've actually gone a 100% win rate, 3 for 3. And last week as well, I ended up going 4 for 4, 100% profit. Last week, I ended up taking about $2,600. And this week so far, we are currently sitting at $600 for this week. So you guys, that is exactly what I'm doing. Did this run even further? Sure, that's okay. It's all right. Go ahead and wait for the next signal, buy or sell signal. Go for the 5 points on the 1 minute time frame. Since our candles aren't engulfing the actual 20 points, if they end up doing that later on, switch to the 2 minute time frame and try to go for 10 points, this actually would have cleared and got the 10 points that I needed for the day. But you know what? I'm really happy with that. I'm excited to just do that alone. If you guys haven't done so, just head over here to My Future Success. Again, I'll do an updated video later to give a shout out to literally close to 20 to 30 people that just joined us overnight. Lifetime access to all of this. You guys, you never have to worry about monthly service fees. 50% off all trainings. Right now, I'm currently booked up through November 6th. You guys can literally get on a video with me. I go over exactly how I enter, why I enter, loading charts, the count size on prop firms, everything that I do. So you can literally leave a one-on-one session ready to take on the market right away. If you're new to this channel, take a look at a lot of these reviews over here. This thing is crazy, life changer for my brother and I. This member over here ended up saying, I'm on day 1 of a 50K challenge with Take Profit Trader, who's actually who I use over here. Ended up making $625 in a single day. Absolutely incredible. The best indicator for futures. I just passed the 50K challenge with my Take Profit Trader today. Thank you for providing such amazing indicators. Incredible. So $100 over $750 in a week this person was able to grow. That's a 750% increase. Incredible. So you guys, take a second, go over here, click I want this, join an amazing fast growing team. You guys have access to myself, the founder, literally at any point during the day. But I hope you guys found a lot of education in this. Everyone who's using these metrics, go back this morning. This is a trade you could have taken. You could have taken this exact trade that I did. Myself over here, taking a quick couple $100 out. That trade probably lasted about maybe 2 minutes and done for the day. If there's another setup that happens later on, I'll take that one. But I hope you guys found a lot of education. Take care, God bless, and have a great one.